How do we know whether we have got good education or bad education? Whether your children are getting good education or bad education? I'll give you one way to understand it. When you are born, we are weak and dependent. Good education will make us strong, flexible, and with high stamina. Bad education will make us weak, rigid, and with low stamina. When we are born, our mind is not yet formed. But good education will make our mind stable, courageous, balanced, innovative, and enthusiastic, while bad education will make our mind unstable, weak, volatile, lethargic, and dependent. When we are born, our behavior is undefined. Good education will make our behavior pleasant, assertive, clear, and discretionary, whereas bad education will make our behavior timid, inconclusive, confused, and submissive. When we are born, the society gives us love and care, but with good education, we get respect, regard, reverence, and curiosity about our life. But if our education is bad, society will give us indifference, a patronizing attitude, and judgmental nature. In summary, when we are born, we are like a lion's cub. Good education will make us a majestic lion. Bad education will make us a submissive sheep. Now, when you go out, look at people and see whether they look like majestic lions to you or submissive sheep. That will tell you whether they have got good education or bad education.